I was raised in the Salvation Army. My parents were Salvation Army officers in the Eastern Territory. So I knew about going to church. I knew about God, I knew about Christ, I knew about the Holy Spirit. But it wasn't real to me until I finally accepted Christ as a 10-year-old boy at one of the Salvation Army summer camps up in Pennsylvania. But even then, as a 10-year-old boy, how much impact can that really make on you? So I went through years of rebellion through my teenage years, and I slipped and fell many times. And when I fall, when I slip, when I give in to temptation, I just think that that is one more sin that was laid upon Christ's shoulders as he hung on the cross. And that brings me to tears, to know that I was a burden, that I was the reason Jesus hung on the cross. But then I think about ultimately God's plan for us was a plan of grace, and that Jesus dying on the cross was part of that plan. And then that just overwhelms me with an intense joy. As a soldier in the United States Army, having deployed to combat theaters several times, I've often thought, could I make that same sacrifice? Could I give my life for someone else? Could I dive on a grenade that's been thrown in the midst of my battle buddies and me? Could I step in front of a bullet that I know is coming so that my friend can live? I don't know. And to think that Jesus himself possibly had some hesitation that indicated by his prayer in the garden that if there was any other way to take this cup from him, and yet still he knew the torture and the suffering that he would endure. And he did it anyway because he surrendered to God's will and not his own. I hope that might be an inspiration, an encouragement for me to do the same myself. But to know that he did that for me, to know that he said yes when he could have said no, it's unbelievable. And yet I still believe it.